What is up, guys? Welcome back to the vlog. And today I lost everything, man. I lost what some of y'all that might watching this video might make in a lifetime. Whew, that shit hurt. But that's all right. We back at it. We're gonna get it all back and some. But I need to lose something else that's not money. And that's this. Now, if you've been watching for a little bit, I've been cutting. Arms a little bigger, shoulders getting stocky, back starting to wide out because I've been on that weight pile. But now I got to go through a little bit of a cutting phase before I bulk some more. So that means cutting calories. So breakfast consists of 100 calorie protein cheese stick. We're gonna have that and my black blueberry coffee fresh from 7-Eleven. God, that coffee, outside of like my normal Black Rifle coffee, which I love, absolute best. But let's roll that damn intro and then we'll get into it. Oh shit, my bad, wrong video. That is right, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to TK's Garage. And the haters are rejoicing today as the Dow is down another 580 fucking points today. My 401k looks like a K. Shit, it might look like an L. I don't even know if it's a K anymore. Shit, it could be an I. I don't know. But, yes, if you don't know, I was heavily leveraged in the stock market and crypto market. Listen, the biggest thing I can tell you if you do anything with money or you have a lot of money is you don't leave it in a bank. You just don't. If you want to become rich, stay rich, be able to spend money, do dumb shit, you have to invest your money. Well, I invested my money. And we got this fucking jackass for president right now. Which I know some people are going to be like, TK, you must be a Trump supporter. I'm supporting anything that's going to keep money in my fucking pocket. Don't fuck with my guns and leave me the fuck alone. All right? So I don't care whose name that is. So that's just facts. All right? And can we please get some back some gas prices? I'm willing to bet that all of us in the last election are seriously regretting who they voted for. I guarantee it. Because when we're saying, I'm not going to talk about, I'm going to leave the politics alone, but I'm just going to be honest. Did anybody else think that they were going to be spending? Shout out to my people in Oklahoma and Kansas and fucking Beaumont, Texas, and all the places where gasoline is manufactured and you can get cheap gas. North Carolina, South Carolina. How the fuck do y'all feel about paying $4.20 on average in those areas for gas? $4.50 on average, and for motherfuckers like me out here on the West Coast in Las Vegas, I'm paying $6. And for y'all in California, woo! So, yeah, I legitimately think that a lot of us are kind of being like, damn, man, damn, like, please get out of my damn pockets, because all of our pockets is hurting right now. Whether you were in the market or whether you're just paying to go to that gas pump every day, all of our pockets are hurting, period. So let's talk about it. How much money did I actually lose? I'm not going to put a number on it because I don't want to, people, you'd be surprised the crazy DMs and other shit that I get with stuff. And then you help out like a couple of people and then like your fucking box is full. But let me put it like this. I lost 74% of my net worth. That's a lot of fucking money. Am I broke? Nope. So here's the thing. When you're rich or you have money, you also need to diversify, right? So yes, I was heavily leveraged in the stock market, probably more than I should have been. Tesla really hurt me, like really, really hurt. But crypto hurt too. Crypto hurt me too, man. The crash, I mean, they're coming back now, and I bought, don't get it twisted, I always buy the dips. The crash really hurt, but I bought more in low because I know Bitcoin and stuff is going to go back up. It's just going to happen. But the thing that saved me, and I'm going to be honest with you, the thing that saved me from being quote unquote broke, or will make me have to, tighten my belt, so to speak. Meaning, I'm just not going to go drop 30 grand at a strip club. Is gold and silver, like investing in precious metals. Saved my ass, because if I was all the way leveraged in stock in crypto, I would be on here with some sad music. And I would be talking about, I'm putting it all on the Red Sox today, and I'd probably lose. I know Red Sox fans, you're in your feelings about that, but don't get it twisted. Shout out to my dude Mike, Tech 702. He knows exactly what I'm talking about. He had got on to me all season. I've been betting on the Red Sox, and I've been losing. And I'm over here like Charles Barkley, losing. And then I finally said, F it. And I put a couple stacks on the White Sox, and we won. Anyways, I'm not betting on the Red Sox the rest of the year. I may bet against them. Sorry, home team. I know everybody from Boston, TKFU. I am betting on the Celtics, though. Celtics in 6. Celtics in 6 over the Heat. I am betting on them. We're going to get into why I'm talking about that here in a minute. But anyways, wow, look at this. You don't see a lot of clean condition A8Ls like that with the 4.2. Not that body style. They're either in the salvage yards now or like clap the F out. And I bet you that shit is low miles too, right? I bet you that thing has not even got a ton of miles on it. Look how clean that sucker is, man. I bet you that thing's in good shape. Anyways, back to the savagery. So, trolls, I know you're going to be excited, but check this out. This is just for my trolls, though, all right? Even though I lost 73 or whatever it is, 73 point something % of my net worth over the last 2.5 weeks, I'm still worth more than you. and check this out. The wonderful thing about when you have what we like to call fuck you money is when you lose a lot of it in investments like stocks, and now because we have to report crypto, I get to report those losses too. I won't be paying fucking taxes forever. I don't know why I was just whispering like Joe Biden, but fuck, that shit actually works, so I figured I'd fucking do it. So, yeah, I won't be paying taxes. Sorry. I'll be using these losses for the next 5 or 6 years, so eat a dick. Well, yeah, the I'm fucked session continues. Retail just posted their earnings, and I don't invest in Target, but it has also helped murder other stocks that I'm in. And we were down like 500 and something points on the Dow, but now we're down like 8, and today is just getting better. So I was like 70 something % of my net worth. Yeah, we're now, luckily, like I said, 20% of my net worth was in gold. 22% of my net worth is in gold and silver. Whew, lucky me. And just to put that in perspective, I've had such an amazing run the last 3 years with crypto, especially when COVID started. I was buying Bitcoin back then for like 6 grand, 7 grand of Bitcoin. And we hit highs of like 50 something thousand. One of the biggest things I can tell you to do if you invest in anything is always take profits. I definitely take profits. Now, why am I not stressing? I am sweating a little bit. I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, when you lose this kind of money, it's bad. But this is the biggest information I can partake to you. And I'm sure there's other people like myself who have been in that position, been broke, been rich, been broke. And I'll give you a prime example. Homie in a Hellcat. That guy had all his shit taken. But once you're there, I say this a lot, your net worth doesn't mean shit. Your network is everything. Because the people that I know, if I want to do something or I want to make a move, or I'll have friends that'll hit me up and be like, TK, what do you think about this? I want to throw some money on a game, and I'll give you some juice or whatever. Say less. I got you. Bing, and we'll make a pick. I have no risk, and I make money. Like, are you fucking kidding me? Ding. Or hey, I'm looking for a specific car. Can you find this car for me? Now, I don't broker a lot of car deals. I might do a little bit more moving forward because I got to get back. But one of the things I'm going to do is I'm going to take my sponsor money that I've now got from our new sponsor at Grubhub. You know, we told DoorDash to go fucking kick rocks after they were stealing money from their drivers and shit. But we did take, and it's not Grubhub is actually not the sponsor. It's a company out of the UK, but they want us to say Grubhub, which is what we're going to do. But it's a company out of the UK that has sponsored us, nowhere near the money we were getting from DoorDash. But I'm going to take that money and we're going to flip it at Caesars Sportsbook. That's what we're going to do. Like, I'm going to do some videos over on More with TK, where I'm also posting automotive content. So if you haven't subscribed to More with TK, go do that. And I'll probably get into more daily vlogs like this over there as well, and kind of make TK's Garage more just the walk-arounds, rebuilds, and stuff like that. So definitely want to make sure you're subscribed to both channels. But yeah, I just wanted to tap in with you guys and talk to you guys a little bit about what's been going on, what I'm doing, and how bad it has been. If you notice, like, I haven't been on social media like I normally was, like these last few days of losses. You know, I mean, don't get it twisted. I'm not putting the M&P in my mouth and eating a bullet. That's never going to happen. That's for suckers only. But it just, like, don't get it twisted. It hurts, man. When you have plans, and I had some crazy plans this year. Like, I wanted to do more stuff. One of the things that I've been doing since I've been getting out here, and it's also going to save me cash flow-wise, and I haven't got a chance to do videos on it, but I will, is building an Airbnb kind of empire without having to use any of my own money. Yeah, none, zero. And or property. I'm going to get into how all of that works, and I'll probably do a video on that sometime soon over on More with TK. If you're interested in that, go subscribe over to the other channel. But with that said, just a little update vlog video for you guys today. I know the haters are going to rejoice. Rejoice now. Laugh now, cry later, bitch, because all I can tell you is, with the money that I'm still holding, here's the fucked up part, right? With the market crashing, crypto crashing, and everything else, and by the way, I've been buying crypto like crazy. Shout out to my dude, Tech702. I bought into Luna and it was like, I bought into Luna when it was like dead. Shout out to my dude, Tech702, because I quadrupled my money on that. Thank you. By the way, bro, you know, drinks. We might need to do titties this weekend. I don't know, man. We'll see what's going on. But anyways, I just wanted to let you guys know where we were at, what was going on, and you know, be honest. You know, I'm upfront about shit. I don't the same way I was about DoorDash and them doing scumbag shit and me losing that money because I had to cancel that sponsorship. Listen, man, I post my W's and I post my L's. Remember the chick that had the big thing between her legs at the bar? Like, I mean, come on, man. Like, look, if you're not honest and transparent about stuff, people will see it. They call you on it, and then what are you going to do? You're going to keep faking? I mean, you're going to keep saying that you own $1 million houses in Malibu when you don't own shit, and just finesse people out of selling merch and not taking shots at nobody, but I know someone's going to put something in the comments. I mean, I'm just saying. Am I going to say I own $1 million supercars that I'm really leasing? No, come on, man. That's not what this channel is about. This channel is about being honest, real, keeping it 100, and just keeping it moving, and that's what we're doing. So, I'm not stressing because I know as the stock market continues to crash and crypto has crashed, my gold and silver holdings are already going up. They're already going up. So, I've already made money on that. I'm going to get back there, and then I'm going to pull some profits from there, and I'm going to continue to do my thing. And if you guys want to follow, you know, look, you only have to win about 62% of the time at the sports book to make really good money. And what I mean by really good money is I'm talking about like $250,000 to $300,000 a year at the sports book in profit. That's what I'm talking about. So if you're interested in that and you want to see how that works, I'm going to do that, and I'm going to continue to start pushing to get back. And I figure doing the different things that I do, whether pushing YouTube and pushing sponsorships, which I may do now, sorry guys, and hitting the sports book and just doing other stuff, I probably could get back to where I was revenue-wise, and then, of course, you know, the market will turn around at some point. I probably can get back to where I was money in the bank-wise, you know, total asset-wise, probably in about a year and a half or 2 years. It's amazing, right? You can lose it all in a couple of days and it takes years to get it back. But it is possible. It is possible. So anyways, there you have it. Haters rejoice. Eat a dick. We don't care. I do have a commentary coming soon where I take all the mean comments. It's kind of like mean tweets. We're going to take all the mean comments and we're going to address those with GIFs. You know, I have to bite off my man, Destroyer 1320. I'm going to have to get like a green screen or something and just have like little GIFs and emojis for all the things that are going to be happening to your trolls' moms on that video. There's going to be a lot of sideways action, a lot of pixelated images. It's going to be bad. With that said, hopefully you enjoyed today's video because I'm hype about the future. I ain't lying. I'm sad as motherfucker. Oh shit, I'm sad as motherfucker. Look, but at least I can be honest about it, right? I'm so sad right now. Like I had some stupid plans for the summer on what I wanted to do business wise. And I can't do that now. I gotta be smart. I can't make impulse decisions and shit. So we'll see how it goes, man. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Guess I gotta start flipping some damn cars or something. Jesus Christ.